Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are exploring the skilled regional employer-sponsored subclass 494 visa pathway that directly leads to permanent residency, a vital option for skilled professionals aiming to live and work in Australia's regional areas. We'll cover the visa streams, employer and applicant eligibility requirements, the application process, benefits, and potential challenges of this visa. So let's get started. The Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional or Subclass 494 visa is designed to help regional Australian employers fill labour shortages by hiring skilled workers from overseas. This visa specifically targets Australia's regional areas, creating economic opportunities while addressing skill gaps in crucial sectors. 494 visa offers two primary streams, each designed to suit different employment arrangements. Employer sponsored stream. This stream allows employers in regional Australia to fill specific roles with skilled workers from overseas when they cannot find suitable candidates locally. It's a great option for industries with consistent skills shortages like healthcare, construction, and IT. Labor agreement stream. This stream is for employers who have entered into a labor agreement with the Australian government, often in cases where there is strong proven demand for overseas talent that aligns with industry specific needs. Could include niche roles in agriculture, hospitality, or aged care, where local talent may be harder to source. So, which industries and sectors are in high demand across regional Australia? Many regional employers are looking for professionals in healthcare, including nurses and aged care workers, agriculture, including farm managers and livestock handlers, engineering for infrastructure projects, and IT for the growing technology needs. Other sectors seeing high demand include construction, hospitality, education, and advanced manufacturing. These industries are the backbone of regional economies, and with the 494 visa, skilled workers from around the world can contribute directly to their growth. Now let's dive into the eligibility requirements for the subclass 494 visa. These criteria are crucial to ensuring applicants are qualified and well suited for life and work in regional Australia. Age. Applicants must be under 45 years of age at the time of application. This age requirement helps ensure the workers have a long and productive career ahead of them. English proficiency. Applicants need to demonstrate competent English skills, typically through an approved English test such as the IELTS, PTE, or the TOEFL tests. Meeting this standard ensures that workers can communicate effectively and integrate into the Australian workspaces. Skill assessment. A positive skill assessment is required for the occupation nominated under the subclass 494 visa. This assessment verifies that the applicant meets the Australian standards for the job role they are applying for. Work experience. In most cases, applicants need at least 3 years of relevant work experience in their field. This ensures that employers are hiring experienced, capable professionals who can contribute effectively. Health and character requirements. Like all Australian visas, the subclass 494 visa requires applicants to meet specific health and character standards, including a medical examination and police clearance certificates from any countries where they have lived. For employers, sponsoring a worker under the subclass 494 visa comes with specific obligations. Employers must ensure the position is genuine, full-time role with fair work conditions equivalent to those offered to other employees in similar positions. In addition, employers have ongoing responsibilities like reporting to the Department of Home Affairs on the status of the sponsored worker's employment, ensuring transparency and compliance with visa conditions. Labor market testing or LMT is another key requirement for employers. This process requires businesses to demonstrate that they've actively tried to hire Australian workers before looking overseas. Employers must advertise the role in specific channels, including national job boards, and document every step of the recruitment process to show compliance with this requirement. Now let's go over the application process. Employers must first apply for approval as a standard business sponsor by submitting evidence of their business's financial stability and ongoing operations. Once approved, the employer can submit a sponsorship application for the skilled worker, providing evidence that the position is essential for the business. Given the detailed nature of this process, many employers seek support from migration experts to help navigate these steps. This minimizes errors and reduces the chances of delays or denials. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Subclass 494 visa, starting with the benefits. For employers, the Subclass 494 visa allows regional businesses to address critical labor shortages by assessing talent from around the world. This is especially beneficial in industries facing ongoing challenges in finding local talent. For workers, this visa provides a clear pathway to permanent residency after 3 years of work in a regional area, offering stability and long term prospects in Australia. However, there are some potential challenges. For employers, the application process can be time consuming and requires careful adherence to the documentation requirements. Labor market testing, while necessary, can add extra steps. For workers, being tied to a specific employer in a regional area may limit flexibility. And while the visa offers a pathway to permanent residency, there are requirements to meet, such as maintaining employment in the regional area for at least 3 years before applying for permanent residency. In summary, the Subclass 494 visa offers a valuable pathway for skilled professionals looking to build their future in regional Australia, while giving employers access to a broader talent pool. With benefits like a pathway to permanent residency and the opportunities to live in Australia's beautiful regional areas, the Subclass 494 visa is an excellent option. Just be sure to consider the eligibility requirements and obligations. If you require assistance with your Subclass 494 visa or employer sponsorship, connect with us using the contact details on screen. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on immigration policies and other insightful content. And don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.